Welcome to Michy's kitchen. Welcome to Michy's kitchen. Welcome to Michy's kitchen. Welcome to Michy's kitchen.
Welcome back to Michy's kitchen. My name is Michelle.
And my name is Emerald. Today we'll be cooking quesadilla.
Emerald is my friend and she's going to help us cook today.
And I also have a YouTube channel. And also we attend the same school. She's my best friend and we also attend the same church.
So, thank you for that information. But before we start cooking, there's one thing we have to do first.
Wash our hands!
Let's go wash our hands. That. Nice.
I'm gonna
There's one thing missing. What are we not doing now?
put on our aprons.
Yes, we need to do that now.
Ready, set, snap!
Now we're back. I hope you like our aprons, but make sure you're wearing them too. Now, well, so our 3 rules are: make sure to wash your hands.
We already did that.
Then we have to wear our aprons.
We already did that.
We also have to have an adult with us when we're cooking with the stove, knives, or ovens. We are going to do that. So, now we need to show you our ingredients for our quesadillas.
So we have cheese.
We have olive oil,
We have salt,
peppers,
onions,
sour cream,
chili,
chicken breast,
and
chicken stock. Okay, now that we have said our ingredients, what should we do next? Well, first of all, to make our dish, Emerald, what do we need to do?
we need to put our frying pan on the medium heat.
Which is 4 for my stove. But we also need to add some things into our frying pan. So what are we going to add?
First of all, olive oil.
Yeah, let's add that now. We're not going to add too much. Do not add too much because we don't need that much.
That's enough.
Let's see. I think just a little more.
That should be enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay, guys. Now that we've done our we've put our oil in. Wait a second. Make sure you all did ask an adult. Please make sure because
Safety is always key.
yeah. So now that is in the oil is in the frying pan, we need to marinate our chicken breast.
Because we are waiting for the oil to get hot.
Okay, let's cut that. So
And-
we need our chicken breast. So we're gonna wear gloves so none of the peppers or any of the seasoning go into our hands.
Now we add this.
So I think we should marinate.
Yep.
Ooh, it's looking good. Okay guys, I thought some of you might not like the seasonings that we might have used, so you can change them to your liking.
So now we're gonna add the onions.
So now Emerald's going to add the peppers. So we're going to mix it until we see that our onions and peppers are soft. Yeah. So you can use mixed colors of your bell peppers, but we decided that we would only use red for now.
Added some seasonings to it.
Now that it's ready, we're going to turn it into our plate. Look at how juicy those things look.
Smells a bit good.
Yeah, very good. So now that we've put that out, we can use our marinated chicken breast and fry it. So let's put in some emerald.
Okay. A bit more. This one right one. This one is nice.
Thanks. Yeah. Okay, so now
We have finished frying it.
it is totally cooked and it tastes amazing. So now that we're done, we can tip this over into our plates. So now that that's done, we are going to move on to our tortilla. So first of all, to make our tortilla crispy, we are going to add cheese. At the bottom, not at the top. So I'm going to add a little bit, not too much. And then we can add our tortilla up top. To make it crispy, we'll leave it there until it turns crispy brown. So now,
At least can I just press it down?
push your press down. Wait. So we're gonna press down to know that if it's crispy or not. So after just a little bit. Now I think we can flip our tortilla. Now we will add a little bit of our veggies and our chicken. Just not a little, not a lot, just a little.
Okay.
As a tip to make this, just make sure that you don't add too much if you're making more, because it will be too bulky for you to eat if you add too much ingredients in your tortilla.
Okay, now we add a little bit of cheese, not too much.
We're adding the cheese so that so now we're going to flip the other side on top so that we can cut it. I'll tap down. Okay guys, so as you can see, the cheese is melting inside.
And now we cut. See?
Oh, look at that cheese. Looks so good. Amazing.
Let it cool down because the cheese is really hot.
Now that we've finished cooking our tortilla, we now are going to taste this delicacy. Should we? Let's
Yes.
go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's
This
so good.
It's amazing.
It's so good, guys.
You guys should really try this. This is amazing food. I really like the crunch. The crunch gives it very good taste. So do the peppers. So, I hope that you guys like this recipe. See you next time.
Bye. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down in the description.
Don't forget to subscribe to mine. Bye.
Like and comment.
Bye.
Bye.
Michy out.